Let me know if you are able to see my screen.
Yes, I can see.
It's loading. Yeah, I can see them.
Like another
Mm-hmm.
class like
Mm-hmm.
I, get digit. Eh?
All right.
Always I starting code, just check my program is run properly. Yeah, no, it's okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So our problem, let's see, we have to write right pro why they are that's the best option. Yes, write a program
Mm-hmm.
that get all digit of a given number,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Write a program that get all digit of a given number.
Now let us example.
Mm-hmm.
I have a number like number equal to like 4632, right?
Mm-hmm.
The one number, right? But
Mm-hmm.
from this, I want to get like a 5, 6,
Mm-hmm.
3, 4 independent, so that I can perform like a 5 plus 6, 6 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4, like, right?
Mm-hmm.
So my objective, I want to find the sum of all digit, or multiplication of all digit, or average of all digit, right? Any
Mm-hmm.
operation you can do, but
Mm-hmm.
our purpose, can I get all the digit independently, maybe in array, at, right?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe in a separate variable, or just I want to print out all the number. Any
Mm-hmm.
operations you can do, right? So how
Mm-hmm.
will do? So let's think, this is solved by mathematically, right?
Mm-hmm.
So as last sec, this is the one operator like a modulo. Whenever you say uh, modulo of n modulo by 10,
Mm-hmm.
and this will give the remainder, right?
You're right.
And this is another operations like n divide by 10, then give
Mm-hmm.
your like a number. So like your remaining actual dividend, right?
Mm-hmm.
So example like here, let's, this is my number. This is my number. If I modulo 10,
Mm-hmm.
I am getting what number? Modulo
That
10,
is reminder. Oh, sorry.
remainder. Remainder would be the, you are getting 4 here.
Four here. Yeah.
If I say, let's this divide by 10, then
Mm.
you will get the actual like 5, 6, 3.
563.
So let me check it's working or not. Let's guess out, right?
Yeah.
Whatever the number I have, number, just number modulo 10, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yeah.
Number. And again, if I'm say division,
Mm-hmm.
whatever the we are theoretically, let's understand, really compiler also doing the same thing now. What we are expecting, similarly we are getting output or not, right?
You're right.
So you are observe our modulo always say last digit like 4, they are giving me 4.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever dividing the same number with a 10, you will getting this remaining number like 563,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Same operation, if I again perform here, again I perform the same thing in a again. Maybe again I perform same with this number. Now our
Mm-hmm.
number become this, right? Number. Then what we are getting here? We are getting a 3, and here you will getting the
Five,
this.
six.
Five,
Mm.
six.
Let's similarly we perform for
5, 6.
5 6.
Mm-hmm.
For 5 6 here, 5 6. So here I am getting 6. Here I am getting 5.
5.
Let's I perform here for 5. I am getting what here?
5 divide 5 model 10. That is no.
I am
That is
getting the 5. What I am getting is 0.
0. Yeah. 5 divided
So
by 10. Yeah, that is
0.
point zero point zero.
But this is the integer number always come 0. Integer divided by
Okay.
integer always integer default value 0, right? Not with the
Okay.
decimal.
Yeah. True. True.
So notice our objective is that we have to get like objective was that we have to get like 5, 6, 3, and 4 all the
Mhm.
digits separately, right?
Yeah.
In this mathematically, you notice here we are get here 4, here get 3,
3.
here get 6, here
Yeah.
get 5.
Mm.
Same our objective was that,
Yeah. 4,
right?
3, 6, 5. Yeah.
So if I do this only operation, this two operation in multiple time until
Mm.
this number become a 0, right? When this number becomes 0, you can stop, right?
Right. Right. Right.
So the logic is same. You perform this your modulo operator and division, but this will do multiple time until your number become a 0.
But this number is not going to be 0.
Here your number become
Oh,
a
that
now.
is the division. Yeah. That is okay.
Initially
Okay.
your number was that,
Yeah.
then modulo means last digit, and dividing that number become this, right?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Next time this number modulo 10 and number divided by 10, you are getting 56.
Right.
And now number 56 divided by 6 modulo 10, 6,
Mm.
and divide by 10, you are getting 5. Next
Mm-hmm.
time 5 modulo 10, you are getting modulo 5, but dividing number you are getting 0. That is your now you are lost the number. Finally, but you have all the digit, right?
Right.
So you have two options, you can just print out, or another option you can store in the array.
Mm-hmm.
Any option you have, right?
Right.
So question is that how we can write in the code, how manually this is okay. Many similarly like here I am written here. So similarly instead of that, here out just we change this number to like number equal to this here, right?
Right.
And just you run this code in multiple time. My time, one time, two time, three time, four time, right?
Mm-hmm.
One time, two time, four
Mm-hmm.
time, and
Mm-hmm.
just check out. You are noticing you have a
Yeah.
4,
Yeah.
we have a 4, we
Right.
have a 3, we have a
Right.
6, we have a 5.
Right.
Right.
But writing code this way, how many time I'm going to do? I don't know, right?
No.
If this number is let's this number is less, then what happen? Our code can be break
Right.
because we have written 4 times.
Right.
Divide by 0 multiple time unnecessary code going, right?
Right.
0 divided by 0, 0 divided by 10, right? So
Right.
unnecessary we are doing. I might be this number become some greater, maybe 5, 8, 9, then might be
Mm-hmm.
miss something,
Right.
right? Because
Right.
I don't know the number of times I'm going to copy paste this code, right?
Mm-hmm.
So instead of doing this way multiple times copy paste this code, why not think we can write in a something loop, right?
Right.
So now this code give me idea. No, I'm not going to write the same code multiple time, multiple time, multiple time. Let's I am rewriting. I'm writing the code is in some loop, right?
Right.
So I'm just comment out. Don't write this way,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Right.
So best option we have. I have a just like a method so that I can reuse. So I can say static slash initially void and get all digit
Mm-hmm.
digit of your input number, right?
Mm-hmm.
So input number, let's input number in. So
Mm-hmm.
here, what till now D, we have to whatever this is the one reminder, this is one actual number.
Yeah.
So we have just declared two variable. One your reminder. Reminder come from whatever the number you have modulo 10,
Mm-hmm.
right? And again number change to number divided by 10.
Mm-hmm.
If now you just run, you notice ki I am getting the out R. So if notice I'm only one reminder I am getting, right? If you,
Mm-hmm.
and just let me call this code from here, right?
Right.
Like you pass your whatever the number you have, right? So till now I have just written only one statement, but I want to this should be in a loop, right?
Sure.
So notice I'm getting only one last digit number. Just let's see यहाँ पे S out number. What is the number, right?
All right.
So this is the number, last digit we have 9, right? So how I am going to write in the same in a code multiple time? That means we have to run like a loop,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's while loop, and some kind of code I am going to write like here inside loop, right?
Okay.
Here condition would be like until number greater than 0.
That's
Whatever the number you have, until 0 you do, else don't do, right? Because
mm-hmm.
whenever we become a stop 0, why again doing 0 divided by 0 divided by 10, right?
Right.
So here I'm checking until number is not 0, yeah, greater than 0, right? Then you would
Right.
take model reminder and just do this. I am going to just like inside a loop here and just check we are getting all the digits or not.
Yeah.
So notice we are getting all the digit,
Yes.
right? So what here we are doing, let's we pass like a number, a small number, like right, small number, right?
Mm-hmm.
So how it's work? Initially I pass n what, like 563, 563, is it okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
Condition check, n greater than 0, this number greater than 0,
No.
sure, sure greater than 0.
Oh, no, this 563. Yeah.
563 greater than
Greater
0,
than
yes,
zero.
0.
Yeah.
Then we say give me the modulo, give me the
Model
modulo r. What become this? They give me 3. What is the
3.
reminder? Last digit is the reminder.
Yeah.
This is the 3. Just I am printing here, and I say ki whatever the number you have, go and divide by 10.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever you are dividing by 10, you are getting this remaining number. This your n become a 56.
Yeah. Yeah.
Again here loop go here again. Again check n is greater than 0. Yes, 56 is greater than 0, right? Then
Yeah.
again say give me the r. R means modulo 10. What is the modulo of 10? This number n. N 56 means you are getting the 6, right? You are printing 6. You are printing 6 here, right? And again say n modulo 10 means n equal to 56 divided by 10. You are getting the 5.
Yeah.
Again control go loop here. N means 5. 5 greater than 0. Yes, still greater than 0. Go take modulo 10. What modulo? Modulo become a 5.
Mm-hmm.
Print the 5. Print the 5. And again say n divided by 10. So n
Mm-hmm.
equal to 5 divided by 10. You are getting a 0.
0. Yeah.
Again go here. Say 0 greater than 0. No,
No.
it's false. Just go outside the loop and
All right.
close the.
Mm-hmm.
So in this way, same thing, instead of doing manually, we just tell compiler, do the same thing modulo and division until number is not 0,
I got it.
right? So same thing, instead of manually we are doing this multiple time, I'm just telling, hey compiler, you do for me. right?
Great. Yeah.
So notice now we have an this all digit. So one thing I am here printing. This is the one way Q and I'm print. Let's say I'm not printing, and what happens? I'm not getting any value. So someone maybe asks, yeah, I don't want to print. Your method should return all the value, right? Maybe you have to return some array, right? Right?
Right.
So that's a different thing, but you can do. But as of
Mhm.
now, is now you are aware how to get those numbers. If you want an array, you can just in array, like
Mhm.
just return data
Now,
type, like, right?
now that the numbers are separated,
Hmm,
how do you like when you do a S out print,
hmm,
it
hmm.
will show you the numbers separately?
Yeah, simply separately, yes. R variable I one R variable sometime refer to 3, sometime 6, sometime 5. Okay, let's key I want to sum of all this number, right?
Yeah.
So here I'm just declare one variable s equal to kind of 0. Here
Right.
say whatever the number you have, s equal to s plus r variable.
Oh, I see. I see what you mean.
So now in the loop, all the r value are adding in the sum,
Right. Right.
and
Okay.
after loop you can say your sum.
Got it.
You notice you are getting the all digit sum as well as.
Yeah.
So this is the digit of 3 plus 6 plus 4 equal to this,
Yeah. Okay.
right?
Yeah.
So here you can say return like all digit sum, you can say all digit sum. Here method name should be like all digit
Yeah.
sum. They are returning your int value, and here
Mhm.
instead of printing you say return your
Integer
return your sum.
sum. Oh.
Okay, here should be sum, right? Any variable logical name should be right.
Mhm.
So now how it works? So let's again dry run. If so in main method you say s out whatever the number you pass here, right?
Mhm.
And they give me the sum, okay? And if you run now, you can get all digit sum. Now I node read this, right?
Right.
So whatever the number we pass, this is the number, and this is your digit sum,
Mm.
Right.
right? So let again dry run how it works, right? Again, always you dry run with the paper, right? Let's give pass 563 how it works, right?
Mhm.
So
Right.
here your number is the 563. Here whenever this method invoke, now
Mhm.
n become 563, right?
It's right.
Here it says sum variable. In one initially variable sum initially 0, right? Here
Right.
say n greater than 0. This number greater than 0. Yes, obviously
Yeah.
greater than 0. Then
Obviously.
what you do? You say r equal to number modulo 10 means reminder. What is the reminder? Reminder become a 3, right?
Mm.
And you say ki just add sum equal to sum plus r. So what is the sum? Plus r. Sum is 0, r is 3. And now sum become your now sum become 3, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Now s become your 3. 0 plus
Mm.
3 equal to 3, right?
Right. Yeah.
After that you say ki number divide by 10 means you say ki whatever the number I have, I am going to dividing by 10. The 5
Mm.
6 3 divided by 10 you are getting 56,
Mhm.
right?
All right.
Now you're going to go to the loop here. Again say number greater than 0. Obviously
Mm.
it is a greater than 0. Then what to say? Whatever the whatever the reminder. So you find again the reminder. Remainder equal to, you are getting at this time 6.
6. Yeah.
6. You say ki sum equal to sum plus r equal to c. What is the sum? Sum was the 3. So 3 plus 6. What happened? 9. The sum become a 9, right?
Yeah.
Sum become a your 9. Clear? Then you say n divided by 10. So now n become a 56 divided by 10. You are getting the 5.
5. Yeah.
Again go to the loop. 5 greater than 10? Yes, 5 greater than 10. Again go to the loop. Figure out remainder. Oh, remainder equal to 5, right? 5. Go to the sum equal to sum plus r. Sum have a 9, right? 9 plus this 5. What happened? 14, right? Sum become 14.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And then n equal to n divided by 10. Again say n equal to 5 divided by 10. You are getting the 0.
Yeah.
Again go loop 0. 0 greater than 0?
No.
No, it's not 0. Then go outside of the loop
All right.
and return the value sum. Sum have what value? 14. They are 14 returning and to either s and s printing here 14. So you are getting the 14 output, right? So in this activity you will try on your copy pen, right? Initially whenever you do this way in your copy paper pen, you feel more confidence ki how your JVM run your code.
All right.
This is known as dry run. Without running your application, you can verify ki what would be the output of my program, right?
Right.
True.
So in you run and you are getting the same output like here. Even you can pass the bigger number or any other number, right?
Hmm.
It will work for all. I don't know ki 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number, right?
All right.
Now this is 36. If you add all these digit number, you're getting 46.
Mhm.
So this is the logic for getting independent each digit number from a given number, and also you are performing sum, right?
Now n divided by 10.
Hmm,
So that means 56 divided by 10. You get
hmm.
5,
5.
and the 6 is at the bottom, right?
What in the- Yes. Always I say ki whenever you do modulo of any number, modulo always give the last digit number, right?
Mhm. Mhm.
Mm.
If you divide the same number by 10, the remaining number like here you are getting here.
Okay. Yeah.
If again this number 563, if modulo 10, you are getting the last digit number 3, right? And if you divide 10, this number you are getting the 56.
56. Yeah.
Yeah.
Similarly, you can print it here, check, right?
Mhm.
So same thing, instead of doing many times, we are just writing in a loop, nothing else.
Mhm.
Okay,
Okay.
It's a mathematics.
this is mathematics modulo n plus. But
Mhm.
here we are understand how we are running loop, how we are summing the digit. Might be next question you can try.
Mhm.
Let's see, I passed number 123, right?
Mhm.
Right.
You give me the number 321, reverse of this number. Think now you can know you can figure out each digit number 321, and
Yeah.
you have to think something how can make this number
Yeah.
from this three number, right?
Mhm.
Some the question would be the write a program that reverse the given number.
Yeah.
So you
Almost
say
logic, almost logic is the same. You have to tweak something,
same,
not here
same.
some. You have
Yeah.
to think some reversing logic.
All right. Right.
Let you try, right?
Yeah.
In this question ki how you find the each digit of given number, this is very useful in many program in future, right?
Yeah.
Is it clear?
Yeah. It's clear.
Okay, let you will try. Okay.
Sure.
In this question we have a multiple question can occur in, let's this is the number, you have to find the reverse, might be
Mhm.
find the maximum number, find the minimum number, minimum
Right.
digit, right?
Mhm.
So three question, maximum digit find, minimum digit find, reverse the number, sum the number, right?
You're right.
So 3-4 program you can do just using this logic.
Okay.
You will try one by one. We have to discuss.
Sure.
Today we have discussed some. Similarly, surely we have to discuss. I'll discuss the reverse, discuss the maximum, discuss the minimum. But
Okay.
let you try also, right?
Okay.
This is not a recorded session.
Yes,
It
this is
is.
the recorded.
Record. Yeah.
I have one more question, Ajay bhai.
Yes, yeah.
Uh,
Let me. Can I stop this recording?
yeah, sure, sure.